how to fix issue with the phone signal is stuck in searching or no service mode on the iPhone 4S after you have replaced a new battery. So I have just replaced a new battery here in a screen, and now I'm stuck with the searching signal, and I cannot even connect to a Wi-Fi. As you can see right here, if I go to Wi-Fi, it does not detect any signal. So to fix this issue, we can try first. It is to set the date and time, because you will notice that after replacing the battery, the date and time is set back to the default. So we go into settings, then in settings we go down and go into general, then set date and time. Now we want to turn off automatically because it cannot connect to a server, and here we can choose a time zone and a date and time. So tap on date and time, and we go and we choose a different year. So you need to set to the current year. So you can see say 1988. We need to fast forward to 2016. So another 15 years to go. Hopefully we get there soon. Yep, so another 11 more years. Oops, we've gone way too far into the future. So going back. That's weird. As I go down, the years still going up. It's supposed to go down, but it's not going down. So I'm trying to get it right. I don't know why they don't just make it so that we can type it in. You know, we can just pin in the date and time. We don't just scroll through like this. It takes forever. Okay, now we're just going too much down. That's weird, because it just keep jumping to the wrong date. So if we just set that, we can also try to reset the network settings. So we go down to reset, and we go reset network settings. So instead of erase the content and settings, we only reset the network settings. Hopefully this will fix the problem and still reserve the data on your phone. And if it still fails, then the next step is to reset and erase all the content and see if that helps you fix the problem. Now before you do that, make sure you back up all your data into iTunes. And if resetting all the content and it still does not work, then you probably need to do a restore through iTunes. So plug your phone into iTunes, into the computer, and open up iTunes, then try to perform a restore. And this should definitely fix the problem with the searching signal and no service signal on your iPhone 4S. So I'm just waiting for this one to boot up. If If you want to go ahead and give that a try, you can, or you can continue to watch this video to see if we can get this problem fixed. So now that searching signal goes away. So if I go into Wi-Fi, I see if they pick up the Wi-Fi. So at least that searching signal is gone away now. If we put in the SIM card, that should help fix the problems. So if I put in my SIM card, I'll see if it pick up the signals. I'll just put on airplane mode, then I'll bring it back out. So and I'll see if that fixed the problems. So there you go, you can see pick up the signal right now. Thank you for watching this video.